Good.
Okay.
Don't come right here, Matt. One. Because this the what? There's some dark thing here. Oh. Don't come right here. Scoot. Please, can you scoot over now? What are you doing?
So you know how the refrigerator kept leaking?
Yeah.
I'm trying to fix it.
I've never seen this refrigerator.
You know how you used to get water on the floor?
So first of all, he did clean this. What's the name of this?
Oh, that's called the water park.
Check.
Check.
This is not gonna.
Woo!
Come on, Buzz.
Dang! That's that shit. Okay.
I mean, what you're looking at here is the inside of a refrigerator. Don't know what any of these are called. You notice we've unplugged it for safety. Also dust. I would recommend everyone start off with a pre-drink whiskey.
Okay.
A pre-fixed whiskey. To give you the confidence to start taking stuff apart when you know you can't fix it.
Here's our engineer.
I'm Denny Ray Fix It. I fixed a couple of things in this house. Most of them work correctly afterwards. So I'm 3 for 5.
I'm going to correct that. I will say 3 for 10.
Only, can I put that water over there?
I've heard the words compressor used. Also drainage valve.
Okay.
I believe these are refrigerator parts.
That's with a big question mark, y'all.
Alright, let's just zip over this with a quick vacuum. I'm sure nothing bad could happen. It's unplugged, right? So. Oh, what you got here? I saw this in another video. Drain valve comes in. Usually there's a collection pan. Probably what this is. Loops around. And then the compressor heats up, apparently, and evaporates the water out. If that's not right, a plumber.
You'll die.
Someone else, yes. Your house will explode. Alright, so
Let's start back
let's
up.
hit it with the vacuum.
Jesus.
Alright, so we vacuumed it out. I don't know if that made any difference. The reason why we made this video after I've already fixed it is because this old-timey refrigerator was leaking into water on the floor. All I did was take these two screws off the back and something akin to poop came pouring out of the back. Cut it in a paper towel, threw it in the trash. Screws go back in. You'll see a lot of videos saying you gotta take the back off. There's a high likelihood you may have to do that. I don't know what I'm talking about. But all I did was take these two screws off the back, pop this off, a bunch of sludge came out. I mopped it up, ran this through the hot water dispenser on the sink, and put it back on there. So we'll see if that works. If it doesn't work, you'll see me bumbling around next week. I also don't know how to put these screws back on.